Hey guys, this is Michael with Easy Edits. Let's go over the basics of making edits to our storefront. First off, let's select our page. We can either do that from the listed pages right here, or we can paste the URL of any page in our store right here, and then click to get it. For right now, let's just stick with our home page, and scroll down till that is in full view. Next, we'll click on the element that we would like to edit, and let's do this piece of text right here. And a quick note, you may need to navigate up or down with these arrows to get the element you are trying to edit. So if your edits are not taking effect, try clicking around the element or navigating up or down with these arrows until you start seeing those changes being made. So you'll notice after we click, you'll see a modal pop up right here. And we can use this text section to start off by changing the color of the font. Let's do it red. And then let's also increase the font size a bit. There we go. And let's change the background. Maybe make that a light pink right there. Awesome. Then let's give it a border. Let's make it a red border, be 3 pixels wide, and let's make it dashed. Awesome. So now let's add a bit of padding right between the text and the border. So we can do this right here by going in, make that 10 on each side. There we go. Awesome. Lastly, let's add a shadow to it. We can add the X value right there, Y, blur that, and there we go. And one more thing actually to show a feature, we can do enable drag and drop right here, and let's do that on the entire thing and move that up a bit. Awesome. So we can reposition that element anywhere we want on the site. And a big note about that is whenever you use enable drag and drop, come up here and check how it'll look on different screen sizes as it'll shift. So we can use edit from mobile. And there's a lot more that goes into this, and you can edit for different screen sizes, but that's another tutorial. So for right now, we're just going to use it to see how it looks as the screen breaks down. So looks good to us. We're fine with that. So let's come back up here and uncheck that. And that's all the edits we'll make for right now. So we're good to publish. And a warning before that, these edits go to your live theme, so make sure before you publish it to check the preview. So I'll come up here and click this preview link, and you'll see our edits are right there. So the position looks good, all the edits we made, the shadow, the background, the border, looks great. So we're ready to publish. So we go back here, then we'll click Publish Edits, and we'll get a couple of options. One will be site-wide edits, and that's for elements like your nav bar, your header, your footer, things that are the same across pages. You may also see the product and collection pages, but for right now, we just want these edits to apply to the home page and the home page only. So we'll click Apply Edit to this page only. Then we'll give it a name, call it First Style. Awesome. And then we'll click Publish. And that's going to our live theme. So it's done. So if we go to our Manage Edits page within the app, we'll see there we go. Under Single Page Edits, we have Edit we just made. And we have options to turn the edits off or on and make different adjustments to them. And so if we check our live store, there we go. We see our edits on the homepage. It's positioned correctly. Everything looks great. So that's awesome. And that is all there is to it to making edits on your storefront with Easy Edits. And for more tutorials, check the fact page of the app. And besides that, you are good to go.